Tired of manually entering Realtorcom leads into Kvcore and missing out on potential clients? This video will show you how to connect Realtorcom to Kvcore in just a few simple steps, automating your lead capture and boosting your efficiency. First, log into your Kvcore account. Ensure you have administrative access to modify integrations. Next, navigate to the Kvcore Marketplace. Usually found on the left-hand side menu, click on the Marketplace icon. This is where you'll find available integrations. Search for the Realtorcom integration. You might need to scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you locate it, click on the Realtorcom tile. You'll now be on the Realtorcom integration page. Review the details, which will outline what the integration does. Look for a connect or install button and click on it. You'll be prompted to log into your Realtorcom account. Enter the email address and password associated with your Realtorcom professional account. Make sure it's the same account where your listings are managed. Kvcore will then ask for permission to access your Realtorcom data. Carefully review the permissions and click Authorize or Allow to grant access. This is crucial for the integration to work properly. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to Kvcore, likely to a settings page for the integration. Here, you can configure settings like lead routing, specifying which Kvcore agents should receive leads from Realtorcom. You might also have options for customizing listing synchronization. And that's it. Now, leads generated from your Realtorcom listings will automatically flow into Kvcore, saving you time and ensuring you never miss a potential client. Plus, your listings stay up to date on both platforms. Happy selling!